Welcome to Cape Breton Island, the Celtic heart of North America. Located on the Bay of St. Anne's at the base of the world-famous Cabot Trail, the Gaelic College has an international reputation for its contribution to the promotion and preservation of traditional Gaelic culture. It offers instruction in over 10 disciplines, creating year-round learning and unique fun. Its naturally beautiful location heightens the mystical Celtic journey. Students of all ages and skill levels visit the college annually to study under some of the finest Gaelic scholars and musicians in Nova Scotia. As a cultural destination, it will delight visitors with the unique opportunity to witness firsthand the living culture of the Nova Scotia Gaelic people. Whether you're looking to see the culture and craft up close and personal, catch some live music and dance, or enjoy an interactive day of entertainment, the Gaelic College has something for you. The only institution of its kind in North America, the Gaelic College offers a truly one-of-a-kind learning adventure. Find your Celtic heart at the Gaelic College. Start your journey today at celticheart.ca.